Grex fine wire staplers available for all major staple types. The 71 series staple is the most popular fine wire staple used in manufacturing, and it fits the Grex 71 AF LM Auto Fire industrial stapler. Simple, effective design is reliable and easy to maintain. Like all Grex products, this model has the metal construction you expect in an industrial quality tool. Easy threaded access to all major internal parts. Exceptionally lightweight piston and driver pin delivers fast cycling times and rapid firing rates for maximum productivity. The round profile of the 71 series staples pierces through thick, heavy material. Firing rates are easily adjustable from semi-automatic to rapid, fully automatic fire. The rear-facing exhaust port means more comfortable operation. The slim profile and compact rounded body design delivers maximum visibility of the work area. The extra-long magazine holds 400 staples, and the textured grip provides all-day comfort.